After the disturbance in the whole crypto market in 2022, financial backers saw some beam of trust at last in 2023. AMP has been one of those coins which enrolled enormous recuperation. Yet, the recuperation couldn't support longer, and the cost again begun to address. Anyway, is the AMP token dead? No, AMP is a decent crypto, gave you put resources into it brilliantly as long as possible. AMP value expectation 2023. In view of our AMP cost expectation for the year 2023, the coin might have least and most extreme costs of around $0.00273 and $0.00664, separately. AMP value expectation 2025. What makes AMP extraordinary? As per our AMP crypto cost forecast, the coin will see an ascent of around 40% in the whole year. It will exchange from the expected low of $0.00778 to the greatest degree of $0.0112. AMP value expectation 2030. By 2030, our AMP cost estimate demonstrates that the possible high of the coin might be $0.0352, with a likely low of $0.0245 in the crypto market. What is AMP crypto? The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a critical commitment by DeFi to the whole world. Not on the grounds that there are relatively few late players during the pandemic, but since very few have decided to work from an alternate organization by and large. Standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution, AMP is known to run on fleets of organization, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is an itemized AMP value expectation referenced here. A definitive goal of this token is exactly something similar to ensure exchanges and intrinsic information, making them more moment and secure. Based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC20 standard for tokens, AMP provides clients with the comfort of trading in fiat or some other computerized cash. What makes AMP interesting? Fleets of organizations' local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and ensure any type of significant worth trade, be it advanced installments, government-issued money trade, credit disseminations, property deals, and the sky is the limit from there. A devoted class of specialists and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local symbolic co-created by fleets of organization and consensus. A thought that changed into a progressive ERC20 token, making waves on the AMP crypto trade and comparable innovations. AMP token. The less popular realities significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute traits as the organization extends, adding to an extraordinary expansion in the quantity of diggers. Upheld by a strong and high transfer speed public blockchain stage, the issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching deceitful or fake exchanges by peers, wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token, and it goes about as security for installments that are made utilizing the fleets of organization and comparable innovations. The groundwork of AMP depends totally on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Consequently, security obstructions are captured first. A notable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This detectable quality makes it one of a kind contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized money conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Thus, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of AMP tokens as impetuses in carrying out brilliant agreements and moving assets. Going by the specialized examination, AMP's cost has had a memorable journey since its send-off, which could be the fundamental justification for its notoriety. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at $0.003114, with a market cap of $131,516,590. The 24-hour exchanging volume of AMP coins remains at $5,150,227, with a coursing supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In light of authentic information, the coin began its excursion at $0.0095, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enlisted an unexpected spike and crossed $0.039. From that point onward, it kept on exchanging decently till June. On June 16, AMP recorded a record-breaking high of $0.1211. In any case, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop. In 2022, things turned less fortunate for AMP as the cost persistently exchanged the downtrend. Toward the start of 2023, the token had denoted a respectable recuperation. In any case, things have again flipped around for the crypto as it exchanges around $0.003115. The exchanging volume has likewise definitely fallen by 41.86%. In view of our AMP cost expectations, the crypto is a terrible long-haul speculation. The cost visualization for long-term end is $0.000236. The cost of AMP is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.008 in 2025. The AMP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.010, with the typical cost of $0.008 all through 2025. By taking a gander at the exceptionally late cost changes in AMP, it is anticipated that the AMP crypto could be generally $0.004826 in 2023. In light of the AMP verifiable cost information, CoinExchangeBot anticipate that the AMP cost could be $0.016873 toward the finish of 2025. The vertical pattern has been anticipated absolutely on the benefits of AMP, viz. Security and unwavering quality. AMP is a computerized insurance token that offers certain confirmations of collateralization for a steam move. A further effect on costs for this security token should be visible in light of the inflow of assets by monetary organizations and guarantee token financial backers in the long haul. AMP value forecast 2023 is indicated by our AMP crypto expectation. The cost is supposed to hit a high of $0.00664, making it a wise speculation. Simultaneously, the base cost for the year 2023 is assessed to be $0.00273, with a typical worth of $0.00469. AMP crypto value expectation 2024. In the year 2024, our AMP coin cost forecast recommends that the worth might hit a normal of $0.00731. Taking into account the AMP cost investigation, it can possibly arrive at a limit of $0.00863, while the base cost might be $0.00600. AMP crypto value forecast 2025. The AMP coin is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $0.00778 and $0.0112 individually, according to our AMP coin cost expectation 2025. Conversely, the typical cost may be $0.00949, with a rate change of around 261%. AMP estimate 2026. According to our AMP cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $0.01210, with a base and greatest cost of $0.00992 and $0.0143, separately, for the year 2026. The instability of the crypto cost is supposed to be very less.